Hello everyone. Tutorial. We are going to learn the generating the neural network using the MATLAB. So we have been given a problem: generate a data set of 200 examples of at least 4 variables, and then we need to apply the ANN values for the same. The equation that we have been given over here is as follows. Now we are moving to the Excel sheet so that we can generate the data set. So what we are having, for the sake of simplicity, I have taken data as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to generate the 200 data set. So we are just selecting it, and then we will drag it with the mouse so that we can have the 200 data. I think I have. So here we are up to 202. We are having 200 data sets. Now what we will do, we can see that it has been copied, so it has been selected. So we'll just copy it and move to the MATLAB space. So we will come over here at the workspace, and now we will create a new folder, and we will just write it as the input. We'll just double click it, and like this. Then we need to paste Excel data, and then we need to transpose it as the MATLAB understands the values in the terms of column. So we have just done it. Now what we will do, we will move to the Excel sheet again. So we have been given a formula, and now we will try to formulate these values in the formula. So what we were having, x1 to the x1 square. So what we are doing, we have selected what in this particular row what x1 is a3. So we have just written a3 over here. Similarly we will follow, and we need to be careful about that we are having. Then we will get the value. Then what we need to do, we just need to drag it so that we can get the output data values. So we have got the output data values. So we can see that the output data values is selected. So we'll just copy it and then move to the MATLAB. We will create a new folder, and we will name it as a target. Double click it. Then we need to paste the actual data sheet. Then we need to transpose it as we have done in the previous case. Now what we need to do, we need to come in the neural network tool. So the command for the same is NN tool. So as we get into the NN tool, so what we are having, we need to import the data. So first we need to import the input data. So we have selected the, then we need to have the target data. So we will put the target data over here. Now what we are having, we need to close it. Then we need to click on the new so that we can create the neural network diagram over here. So what we need to do, we need to have the input data as input, and then we have to put the target, and rest we will keep as the same. What we have having in the network type, feed forward backprop. So we need to just create it. So it is showing that new network called network has been created. So we just need to close it. Then we have to select over here. Then we have to open it. Then what we are having, we can see that we are having the network diagram over here, shown hidden layer, output layer, and then we have the output. W and B represents the weight and the bias. So we just need to train the input and output data. So we just select it, and then we need to train the network. So we have to wait for a while. So now we can see that we have got the different parameters over here. So we can have the performance measure, training state, and the regression. For the sake of simplicity, we can open any one of these. So we can open the regression. So what we can see that the regression plot is being opened. Plot has been opened. So we can see that we have got the different uh, values over here. So what we are seeing that we can observe different values over here. We can simulate, we can get the different adaptation value, reinitialize weights, and then we can view or edit the dates over here, weights over here. So once we are done with the same, we need to export the network that we have created. So we can see that it has been selected over here. So we will just export it, and we will select as a select all, and then exporting it. Once we are done with this, we need to close it, and over here we can see the network one outputs. So as soon as we click the double click it, we will get the output values over here. So that was all about the ANN problem.